Okay, this video shows you how to limit your search results to a specific town and then only those companies that deal with computer things. So I'm going to go to Search Manager to New Search because this is my second video. This takes me back to the home screen. And again, I'm going to go to the city name, and I'm going to type Uxbridge, and I'm going to search. Gives me the 262 companies. So if you want to limit it, you want to go down to these codes, okay, classification codes, and we're going to pick across here all NAICs, and you want to select by name. Now I'm just guessing. If you actually want to know the preferred NAIC for what you're looking for, you'd have to go to copy NAIC, open a new tab in your browser, Google NAIC, and then search. But I'm guessing it has the word computers in it. So I'm going to click computer and run. You actually have to have run. And then I'm going to pick this one. This is probably what I want. I don't want manufacturing or stores. Maybe I'd want training, but I'm going to pick this one. Then I got to scroll down and select it to my search. And now I got to run the search. And so it's telling me that in my little town of Uxbridge, I got 5 companies. So Sunny Oasis. And I can click on it and learn a little bit more about their business and maybe go to their website, maybe contact them if I'm interested in getting a place in here.